ICICI Bank. Doing ICICI Bank when the banking sector has done a beautiful rally this week, that itself is enjoying opportunity. While for ICICI Bank there is some drawbacks. This is again our view. This can hold difference with other people because there are some staunch believers for some frontline stocks in the market today. When we talk something negative about any stock, they immediately bounce on us, confirming that they are right. It can be. See, we might have also made a wrong decision. It's not that we are 100% correct. All that what we are doing is we are taking the numbers of that the company has published, and based on that we are doing an analysis using the experience which we have had in the market. Obviously, whatever experience we had need not be the same with others in the market also. So as coming to the banking sector, in the private bank leads the market. Always it will lead because public sector will not catch up with the kind of energy the private banks exhibit. In that, current rally was led by HDFC Bank, followed with Kotak Mahindra Bank and Axis Bank. Last was ICICI Bank. Reason we will get to know soon. Earnings rank for ICICI Bank is 76.1, fairly good. In the last 2 quarters, it has been doing well. Of course, there are peers who have outbeaten the performance of ICICI Bank. That is why this is lying low. Otherwise, it would have gone up. Price rank is 40.3. That is about 60% of companies in the market today are giving better returns than ICICI Bank. So what I said is clear, because earnings is not up to the mark with the peers, stock is not valued rightly in the market. Bank is having stagnant income for a very long time. Profit just shoots the roof in this quarter. September quarter results came with a huge profit. Looks like bank is turning around, while investors will wait and watch because it had some bad history also. So obviously people will wait and watch for consistency in the performance, only then they will hop in. So and there is consistent reduction in NPA. I think it's come to 1%. That is actually a very, very good sign. Most of the banks have come in falling in line with reducing their NPAs. That means it shows signs that economy is improving. Either the borrowers are paying back, or maybe they are booking all the NPAs and reducing it. All the NPAs are closed as losses. Both the ways it is good. MF and FII favorite. This stock has been a favorite for both MF and FII. Again, this bank does not have a promoter. Again, this one I want to clarify. When we wrote about ITC and L&T, people were cursing me that I have not talked about promoter, or promoter is not at all interested in these companies. This is the kind of awareness that investors have in the market. There are few companies in our country which doesn't have promoter. It's all our board run, and we should appreciate them for the kind of leadership that they have shown. ITC, L&T and ICICI Bank also for that matter. Without a promoter, just board run decisions, and they have managed to be the leaders in the sector. Fantastic job they have done. In that manner, ICICI Bank does not have a promoter. So most of the holdings are held by MFs and FIIs. So both are informed sources. They will not do a mistake. That is for sure, because there are so much back-end work that is done for them to qualify to put their money. They just can't go and put money like how we as investors go and buy, doing impulsive decisions. So lesser profitability among peers. That's what I told. Among all the peers, this bank is showing lesser profitability, and that's why it's commanding lower valuation in the market. Don't know. There can be possibility of improvement. If improvement comes, then obviously it will catch up. As of now, it is a late entrant into the sector rally. Banking sector rally started a little early. Like I know we bought HDFC Bank about 3 or 4 months back. That was the turnaround time for HDFC Bank, while ICICI Bank just in the last 2 weeks, it gave a breakout after Kotak Mahindra Bank broke out in the market. So as of now, also stock is in the range. It is to still, even after breakout, it's still not trended. So if the stock is not trending, obviously it will not do much. So if somebody wants to buy in small quantities because of the breakout that has happened now. On pullback, you can add more. So if suppose it is sustaining, it will come to a zone there. If it gives a strength and goes up, then we can buy. So I put an image here, latecomer. So I think there are a couple of elderly people in the server who will relate to this. In our school days, when we go late to the class, we will be asked to stand outside. So we can be watching the class happening inside from outside only. That's what this bank did. It was watching from outside, and then it came late, so it was kept outside. Like HDFC Bank is trending, Axis is trending, Kotak is trending, ICICI is not. So this is our views and thoughts about ICICI Bank. It can be wrong. I am just accepting now itself. Some people come and comment that as if we have made a grave mistake in talking some bad things about the stock. We don't have anything like that. After we do a review, if there is a stock that comes for buy, we have bought. There have been instances which we have done like that. For us, it is only the numbers and patterns. When patterns show strength, we are going and buying the stock. We are here to make money. We are not forming any opinions or any egoistic thought about a stock and keeping away. Nothing like that. Every stock is an investment stock. Even Reliance, currently we are holding a position. It might get out soon, but yeah, though the stock went down, we had opinions there when we did a review. While today there is an opportunity that's come in the stock, we have bought the stock. So for ICICI Bank, our thoughts and ideas, this stock has been a latecomer in the sector. While it can perform with the numbers that has come up in the bank's results, it can shine better with even NPS going down. That also is an advantage. So if you want to make a decision to buy this stock, whatever we gave inputs here can be a education purpose for you. You can take these inputs for your decision making. While going to buy, you make your conviction about what you are doing, your risks and everything. Just don't go and buy because somebody has told. Not only us. Don't take opinions from others and put your money into a stock. It's actually a very, very big mistake. So that's for ICICI Bank. Latecomer worth investing.